The Xenomorphs, or aliens, are known to have many life cycle stages and an infinite number of possible forms depending on their host. In this video we'll be looking at every single type of xenomorph across all the different media, including movies, video games, comic books and more. So without further ado, let's get started. Abomination, a Predalien from the Aliens vs Predator game from 2010 and main antagonist of the Predator campaign. Albino Drone, an unused concept from an early script of Aliens, a docile, smaller version of a warrior which constructs the hive structure. Alpha, from the Alien Bloodlines comics, a unique drone with goat horns. Alpha Drone, a leader of a group of drones within a hive which displays enhanced strength and intelligence. Anchor Point Hybrid, also called the Body Burster, created when xenomorph DNA was mixed with that of a human on a molecular level. Aquatic Xenomorph, an alien type which comes from an aquatic creature native to Bracken's world. Arachnoid, enemy type from the Alien vs Predator arcade game. Belly Burster, a chest burster variant directly injected into a host by the Predalien in AVP Requiem. Multiple belly bursters would come from a single host to quickly build a xenomorph army. Beluga Xenomorph, a cut concept from an earlier draft of Prometheus. It was to be born from Holloway after he is impregnated by an ancient ancestor of the Facehugger. Berserker Alien, a Predalien that has been born from a super predator. Big Chap, the alien from the original Alien movie. After attacking the crew of the Nostromo, it is blasted into space by Ellen Ripley, but later found by Weyland-Yutani at the beginning of Alien Romulus. Bloodburster, the chest burster equivalent stage of the Neomorph, will emerge from a random point of the body instead of just the chest cavity. Boiler, a blind xenomorph from the Aliens Colonial Marines game. It will explode on contact, spraying its acidic blood everywhere as a form of attack. Bull Alien, a xenomorph born from a bull, originally a toy designed by Kenner. Burster, the quadrupedal version of a boiler. Carrier, a large pure strain xenomorph from AVP Extinction, which carries facehuggers on its enlarged dorsal tubes. Chestburster, the infant stage of the xenomorph. After gestating within its host, it will force itself out from their body, killing them. Chrysalis, a boss from the AVP arcade game. Cloned Queen, the cloned chestburster from Ripley 8, due to DNA cross-contamination, developed a human reproductive system and gave birth to the newborn, which then killed her. Cloned Xenomorph, aliens from Alien Resurrection that were affected by the same human DNA contamination. Crocodile Xenomorph, an alien born from a crocodile in the Batman Alien crossover comic book. Crusher, the alien runner version of a Praetorian. Dark Alien, a demonic hybrid from a crossover comic book. Defender, a greyish-blue xenomorph from the arcade game. Drone, the default xenomorph type when born from a human host. Deacon, a xenomorph-like creature from Prometheus. It is created when the trilobite impregnated the engineer. Earth Angel, the xenomorph from the comic book Alien Earth Angel. Egg-shaped Alien, an enemy type from the arcade game shaped like an ovomorph. Electric Alien, another enemy type from the arcade game with electrical abilities. Empress, an evolved queen that rules over multiple standard queens and their hives. Facehugger, the facehugger will attach itself to a host, depositing the embryo for the chestburster stage of the life cycle. Flying Xenomorph, a huge flying xenomorph with bat-like wings. Goddess, an enigmatic figure which appeared in Cruz's dreams in Alien Bloodlines. Gorilla Alien, a primate-inspired xenomorph from the Kenner toy line. Grid Alien, the main drone from the first AVP movie, named for the scars sustained during its fight with the Celtic Predator. Hammerpede, a mutation from the black goo infecting a type of alien worm, resembling a cross between a chestburster and a king cobra. Infected Firefield, a human directly infected with the black goo mutated into a zombie-like monster. Infectoid, facehugger impregnated enemy humans from AVP Arcade. Irradiated Xenomorph, aliens irradiated from the nuke dropped on Hadley's Hope colony. Killer Crab alien, toy from the Kenner alien line. King, also called Rogue, a genetic creation intended to be controllable by man. It was instead incredibly hostile towards natural xenomorphs and did battle with a queen. K-Series, created by Dr. Kadinsky, the K-Series were a human-made subspecies with a yellow coloration. Longneck alien, boss-level enemy from the arcade AVP game. Lurker, stealthy enemy type from Aliens Colonial Marines. Mantis alien, Kenner toy of a xenomorph born from a praying mantis resembling alien species. Matriarch, also known as the Hag Queen, an ancient queen imprisoned by Weyland-Yutani but freed by Specimen 6 and killed by the Rookie. Motes, small ovomorph-like organisms which emit spores that infect a host with a neomorph bloodburster. Necromorph, a necrotic mutated xenomorph drone similar to a boiler. Neomorph, an early reverse-engineered xenomorph attempt by David using the pathogen in his experiments, white in colour with a fully retractable mouth. Newborn, a xenomorph human hybrid creature born from the cloned queen. Night Cougar, a quadrupedal alien from the Kenner toy line. Octo Facehugger, a cancelled concept for Prometheus which was to facehug Holloway, creating the Beluga xenomorph. Offspring, a hybrid creature created when Kay injects herself with the black goo to heal herself. It instead mutates her fetus into a creature resembling a half-engineer, half-xenomorph. Ovomorph, the egg stage of the life cycle housing a facehugger. It has 4 petals on the top which open outwards, allowing it to exit and find a host. Palatine, a queen-sized drone to protect the queen mother. Panther alien, a quadruped alien similar to a runner. Praetorian, a young queen which will protect its hive matriarch and can grow into a replacement queen itself if she is lost. Predalien, an alien born from a predator. Predalien queen, a queen alien born from a predator. Protomorph, David's latest experiment to reverse engineer the xenomorph using the black goo, made using the pathogen, Elizabeth Shaw, neomorph and engineered DNA. Prowler, an enemy type from Aliens Fireteam Elite. Queen, the leader of a hive, she will lay ovomorphs using an ovipositor and a very dangerous combatant if need be. Queen Chestburster, the infant stage of a queen made from a royal facehugger. Queen Mother, the highest form of xenomorph, also the largest and deadliest. Ravager, a massive warrior with enormous blades on each arm from the video game Alien vs Predator Extinction. Raven, a large distinct alien which was seen to inhabit the sewers beneath the ruins of Hadley's Hope. Razorclaw alien, a xenomorph with long talons on its fingers. Red Queen, the queen of the Red Xenomorph hive which split from the main hive and fought them. Red Xenomorph, a rival hive which battled the black aliens on Xenomorph Prime. Their red colour was not literal but to differentiate the two factions. Rhino alien, a Kenner toy based on a rhinoceros. Ripley 8, when Ripley was cloned aboard the USM Auriga, xenomorph DNA mixed with her own, giving her advanced strength and perception as well as acidic blood. Royal Facehugger, a special strain of facehugger which will spawn pure strain xenomorph types such as queens and praetorians. Runner, a 4-legged alien spawned from 4-legged creatures such as dogs and oxen. Scorched alien, the main alien from Alien Romulus. It was attacked with a cattle prod, burning it and melting parts of its carapace. Scorpion alien, another Kenner Toys action figure. Smasher, an alien type from the AVP arcade game. Space Jockey Xenomorph, the alien spawned from the space jockey in the derelict spaceship. Specimen 6, an alien held captive by Weyland-Yutani on BG-386, the playable character of the AVP 2010 Alien campaign, characterised by the number 6 burned into its forehead. Spitter, a type that utilises its own blood as an offensive weapon, spraying it out through the mouth at enemies. Snake Alien, a snake-inspired alien from the Kenner action figure line. Star-faced Alien, enemy type from arcade game. Stompy, the nickname of the type seen in Alien Isolation, resembles the big chap drone design but with digitigrade legs. Tarkatan Xenomorph, a playable character from the Mortal Kombat fighting games. Test Subject 7, a drone exposed to the black goo turning into an enhanced xenomorph with a white coloration. Titan, a massive alien born from a huge extraterrestrial in the game Aliens Dark Descent. Trilobite, a product of the black goo which gestated inside Dr. Shaw, which she removed with a surgical machine. It grew to a large size and attacked the engineer, creating the Deacon. Tusked Xenomorph, a xenomorph type seen being controlled by predators. Ultramorph, an unused concept from Prometheus, who was originally going to be the alien born from the engineer, but was unused in the final version. Walled Alien, a massive boss fixed to a wall from AVP the arcade game. Warrior, a fully formed drone whose carapace has hardened into tougher armour, including the head dome which takes on a ridged opaque appearance. White Hybrid, a hybrid from the comic books possessing traits from xenomorphs, Yautja and humans. Wild Boar Alien, a Kenner action figure with spines across its head. Wraith Alien, an unknown alien dwelling within an engineer's ship from the comic book Aliens Wraith. Xenoborg, xenomorph cyborgs made by Weyland-Yutani in an attempt to create super soldier weapons. So that was every type of xenomorph I could find. I tried to include them all, but if there were any that I missed, then make sure you let me know in the comments section. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll give it a like for the time and effort spent making it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.